Told the feeling like I'm back in my damn mind. Told the feeling like I'm back in the damn line. Told the feeling like my life is a damn game. Nigga really wanna die in the night time. Only time I feel.
Hey guys, it's me Ashwathaman and I'm back in another video. So I'm really sorry for not uploading video. It's been a long time since I've uploaded one, and now I'm back with another coding video. And this time we're going to be doing a Java tutorial on how to display your output of the code. So it's really simple and the most basic one. So if you want to know something else regarding simple ones like Java or Pictoblox, Scratch, comments down below, and please consider subscribing and sharing too. Let's get on to the video. So here we are, and just gonna start right now. So before I go into the video, I'm gonna say about a software called BlueJ, which I'm currently launching. And this is actually a really simple software and a useful one, and I recommend you guys this for learning the basics. It's not an IDE, it's a simple compiler, and user interface is really easy to learn and use. It's not going to take you a bunch of whole long time. So links in description, you can download it for free. So here on inside, so what to create, it says here to create a new project, but I already have one, so not a problem. I'll do it once more. New project, ID tutorials, copy. Okay, yeah, because I've named it as ID tutorial. That's how we create one. But yes, I have one already here. Just go ahead. Once you've done that, click on new class and name it whatever you want. The pop-up menu, so as per the video, I'm going to type print. So why I'm typing print is that it's just a technical word for displaying something when you go professional. So just go ahead and hit OK, and this creates another window here, which you're gonna have to right click, so you can do whatever you want, change the size and stuff. Right click, now hit on open enter, and once you've done that, it's nice. That's gonna give you a sample program with something here called as public class print. So the class here is like you can say a section or something. Yeah, it's section, you can call it like that. And here print is that the class is named as print, so you can go ahead and delete all the unwanted things, the sample stuff. Yeah, so now what I'm going to do is type public static void name string layout. Yes, yep, and go ahead and add another yeah, there you go. Yeah, so I'm going to go from the most basic one, the really simple and small one. Just goes as system out of print. I'll add, so go ahead, open the brackets, the quotations, speech marks, and then type whatever you want. There's the popular thing we call hello world. Then close it. Yeah, don't forget to add the ender. Yeah. So, and there you go. This is the most simplest thing here. So here you can see there's system.out.println, which shows up in everything basic or in the most advanced. Basic like this, just gotta go ahead and type whatever you want, and give this code, it's gonna print. So if you don't want else, sometimes you're gonna use a bit GoPro method, you can say. It's like slightly advanced, where you're gonna declare this hello world to an integer like a, b, you can see, and just give a inside the brackets, and it will print that. It's when you go bit complex coding, which next stage also. So compiling this, just go ahead and use this compile option on edit, and once you've done that, it's gonna say class compile, no syntax error. It means it's good to go. So go ahead and minimize this void main string AIGS, this option, like it, and just give OK. Yep, and there you go. Terminal window. It's like a notepad. Here it gave us our output. Hello. That's how we're gonna print one. So next we're gonna go ahead and post it. Go to the advanced one. Open editor. Here, as I said, you can actually declare this to a variable. Like for say int integer. Just type anything you want. Like I'm gonna go with a. That's it. We have declared our integer. So if you don't give this command, it's not gonna take the letter a or whatever you type there as an integer. It's not. So I'm gonna declare it right now. So a equals hello. Yep, there you go. Statement. Yep, exactly. And there you go. Yeah, I can actually do that with BlueJ after. So instead of this, you can give numbers like 1, and it's been declared. So because it can only print words over here, the numbers and values, those stuff you gotta go with the integer. Yeah, that's the main use of integers, alright guys. So system.out.println, give a. There you go. Going to compile. Last compile, no syntax error. String. So here, after this error, this old one, you don't need to compare. See 1, it's given there. And yep, so you can just go ahead clear and close this. Once again you do this, it's refreshed. So here is one more time. Yeah. So other thing you can do is an arithmetic operation, which is mainly used when you're declaring a variable. So here I'm going to type. You can do it in 2 ways. The first way is just 1 plus 1. It's gonna give a. Print a. So a is 1 plus 1. It's declared as that. And if you want one more, yeah, just gonna compile that. Show you the output first. Yep, see? 1, 2. It's the old one. Don't need to take this in count. It's 2. 1 plus 1, 2. And that's a. Yep, in the editor, let's do another thing. So I'm gonna make B and C. Okay, so let me declare something. Let's go like an algebra sort of stuff. Okay, A, it's 1. So let's declare B. It is you can say. And then yeah, I'm just gonna add one more ABCD. So let's do addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So this one should declare. So AB is for the numbers, the next for arithmetic operations. If you don't want to declare them, it's a number or something, you can just go ahead and directly do them. It's not a matter. So here, just for a basic, I'm showing C. Go ahead and click, and it's addition, right? A plus B. Yep. Let's go do for subtraction. So D is equal to 8 minus B. Division, multiplication. B equals. Here it's just the symbols get a bit tricky, but it's easy when you know them. For multiplication, you're gonna use the star option. It's for multiplication. B, and at last F. Division. And of course, you guys would know slash B. And there you go. So one more thing I'm gonna edit here is you can just blenderly type that print C means it's gonna print the number. So but I'm gonna go a bit fancy. So let's get this stuff into a bit more ordered, ranged way. So the addition of we can type A and B or 1 and 3. It's not a problem. So I'm just gonna do T A and B. So dot it's just a short form. Yeah, so it means like a grammar. B is equal to this got a space, so the space just get used there. Now and this, and you just the letters have been typed. So if you ask where is the answer now coming up, just gotta add plus and C, because C is declared as the addition of A and B here. And whenever you want to add an integer or something like that with a word, or an integer and a word, it's different operations. Together you gotta use the plus, but don't get confused sometimes, because if you gave C plus D here, it's gonna make an no addition of the answer C and addition of the answer of D2. I hope what you get I meant. So yeah, next system out print ln the subtraction, next one, subtraction of int A and B is equal to space, yeah, and a plus D. So I had plus D, so just end up showing the value of D at the last. Yeah, I told you. Yeah. And don't forget to add the holder, system out. Just gotta repeat the same for everything. We're just showing it, right? Displaying the value, that's it. The multiplication of integers A and Yeah, totally forgot this. Is equal to space. So yeah, I'm adding the space here because it's gonna make the know the words and the integer value of the integer bit spaced apart from the equal to. It just makes it a bit neat. If you don't want it, it's not necessary really. So yeah. Plus and e, because it's declared as the multiplication of a and b. No need to get too much confused, it's really easy. Just out and the division of int dot a and b s. Go ahead and close the speech marks plus f being declared as the division of a and b. Yep, go ahead and get the holder. And always don't forget when you're typing this manually, and you have to add the curly brackets because it's really important. And if you miss it, you're gonna have to know the code won't probably work. So yeah, let's see the output. Compile, class compile, no syntax errors. Let's go back, print as always string.js. Okay, here you go. The addition of integer a and b is 4. Let's go ahead and shut that. Here a is 1 and b is 3. 1 plus 3 4. Yeah, subtraction is -2. Yeah, it went up to the integer. So 1 minus 3 is -2. Yeah, it's integers. -2, and the multiplication of integer a and b is 3. 1 into 3 is 3. Anything by 1 is 3. Division of integer a and b is 0, of course. And here is yeah, I forgot to do one thing. Equal to. That's why I didn't show that. Now you get it why it's important. Yep, compile. Get out. And here you go. It's in there. So yeah, the division of a and b, which is 1 and 3 is 0. So let's go ahead and do a bit flip b a. So instead of a minus b, it's called b minus a. Small swap. Now there's not going to be any negative values or integers in this one. Yep, compile, open editor. Okay, and there we go. The addition of integer a and b is 4. Subtraction is 2. It's not -2 anymore. 3 minus 1 is 2. Multiplication is 3 as always. Division is 3. And this is the most simple forms of printing something, displaying the output. So there's more advanced where you get to get the number from the user. Like if I'm the user, right, I'm actually a user right now, and there's a code, really simple one, not as complicated as you think, where you get to type the value. If for us a is 12, it's gonna say as enter the value of a. I give 12, b give 13, and next automatically as what I have given as declared as a and b, it's gonna do all the arithmetic operations by itself with the ones I got. It's really simple. bit advanced. But yeah, first learn this basic, try a few more uh, with new methods, try to find out on your own, explore, and do some more. You can do anything, right? If you declare A as something and just go like bank account numbers, phone numbers, recipes, anything can be done with this. It's the most simple. So go ahead and try them, and post in the comments that what you got was successful, what is helpful, and also say what you want me to post me as the next video: Pictoblox, Scratch, or same BlueJ Java. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video and learned something new. Consider subscribing, and make sure to hit that like and bell icon, and share it. Thank you.